one or two times per day, people are asking me, "How did you learn Serbian?" Well, I just try to listen to people. I just try to listen music. Music is wow. The TV. When I have the chance, I go to TV. Why this question? Because sometimes I'm going to the supermarket. I'm going with my friends, and of course I try to speak Serbian. No, I don't have the grammatical stuff, but I speak, and I think that I do very well. Second point, if they are asking me, can you teach me Spanish? So I would like that you guys write to me if you would like to learn Spanish in this page. Of course, to make jokes with this, with that, because, for example, I like when ja kažem, koliko puta treba da ti kažem? How many times do I have to say this to you? And for us in Spanish, puta je kurva, znaš. I za mene je jako smešno. Onda, ako hoćeš da naučiš nešto na španskom, moraš da